We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. We remove the back cover. Here we have the power and volume control flex. We remove 2 screws. Now let's remove the metal bracket. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.